Hi, I'm Katie Halcrow with Power Up Prep, and I'm super excited today to take you through some tips and strategies to help you power up your ACT. If this is your first time with us, first, welcome. Second, check out the link below. There, you're going to find the ACT questions and the note sheets that you can do along with these videos. All right, so let's get those materials together, and we're going to be ready to power up. Okay, so now that we've gone over the basic strategies, like things to remember for the English section, now I want to dig in to defining what the two types of questions you're going to see on the English section are. So there are two types of questions. The first type is a grammar question. So you can recognize grammar questions because they're like this. They have just 4 answer choices. So it's just A, B, C, D, or F, G, H, J as your answer choices, and that's it. That's a grammar question. The other type of question on the ACT test are called content questions. You can recognize content questions because they actually have a question listed before the 4 answer choices. So this is an example of a content question. You see the question that's above the 4 answer choices. Okay, so the reason that you need to know those 2 different types of question types is because there's different ways to answer those questions. So we're gonna go through some ways to answer grammar questions, and we're gonna go through some ways to answer content questions, but seeing how they're different is important. So again, grammar questions just have those 4 answer choices, but content questions have the question before the 4 answer choices. All right, let's dig into some more grammar. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them below. We love to hear from you. Also, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of our curriculum or other tips and tricks that can help you power up your ACT.